Hey everyone, it's Hanno from Cracking Gates, back again for the July Brisbane Cars and Coffee meet here at Coorparoo. From what I can see already, it's going to be one of the biggest turnouts that I've ever been to. So there's plenty of nice cars here, so let's go have a look. Pretty much supercar alley here. A few Lambos, a few Ferraris, Porsches. Good. End it. So yeah, casually a Ferrari Enzo parked up here. I think I've seen this one before at the Dun Garage opening. That's one of my early videos, so check one of those out. So yeah, pretty good turnout today. Pretty mental. There we go, that's pretty much wraps up Cars and Coffee for Brisbane for July here at Coorparoo. Pretty massive turnout, and as you can hear, everyone's getting a little bit I guess noisy. Yeah, so if you like this video, be sure to click subscribe, provide some comments down below, give a thumbs up, and be sure to share the links. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.